Hey guys, how are you doing? My name is Jordan and I'd like to show you another 5-minute setup which I'm following. Well, this time we will be talking about Aussie franc, where basically the whole thing starts right here from the daily or weekly charts. We have this beautiful trend line which is holding the price strictly below at that point, and dropping down to the lower time frames, we can see that since this trend line breakout, since we got right here the reversal pattern we wanted to see, the pair is now giving us pullbacks. That was the zone I wanted to see reached during the pullback, which is now right there. The hidden divergence, which started turning into continuing divergence on the 4-hour chart, is also in place. Pair is bouncing exactly from the 61% zone. This is the Fibonacci retracement zone right here. And going down towards the 1-hour chart, we can see that we had divergence number 1, false break number 1. We now have divergence number 2 together with false break number 2. So basically, this is a live aggressive call. Why aggressive? Because we are attacking with the divergence. Already missed a few pips, unfortunately, but the idea is that. And if you want to be more conservative, you can always go ahead and follow up this low, where if we get the breakout below it, we will be looking for the continuation to the downside. So that's all. Hope you like this setup. If you do, please thumbs up or leave your comment if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to reply, of course, as usual. Thank you for watching.